Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix the audio, HDMI audio, on your Hackintosh. So this is the new way Hackintosh. So other methods will apply to the old way using Clover and OpenCore. But this is the new way, which is running on the Proxmox hypervisor. So you can see if I go to System Preferences and go to Sound, on the output we have no output devices found, even though that this is connected to a HDMI. So to fix this we're going to need one tool. It's called OpenCore Configurator. So you can see in the downloads here, OpenCore Configurator. All you do is you go on Safari or whatever web browser you use and you just type it in, OpenCore Configurator, and it's the Mackie 100 projects at altavista.org. You just scroll down. For some reason the site isn't very laid out very well, they need to quite fix it. And then you just download the latest version. Obviously I've got it, so I don't need to. But then you want to right click and open it. Then you'll get a menu like this. It looks very blank. You want to go to Tools at the top and click Mount EFI. Then after a moment of loading, we should get the EFI partition on the macOS volume. Just click Mount Partition. It will ask for your password, so just enter it. And then click Open Partition. It'll then open a new window with the EFI folder, double click into that. Then go to the OC or OpenCore folder. And then config.plist, you want to double click that. And it should open a new Clover Configurator window. Sorry, not Clover Configurator, OpenCore Configurator. Then you get a few options here. You want to go to kernel. You can see there's a lot of stuff here, but the one that we're looking for is Apple ALC.kext. We want to tick that. We want to then save, and before we reboot we want to make sure that the AFI folder in kext, we want to make sure that Apple ALC is in there, otherwise it'll fail to boot. But mine is. If it's not, type in on the internet Apple ALC kext download and download the latest version. So I'm going to just reboot the Hackintosh, so it won't be long. So just before I continue the video, we do now have a Discord community, and as you can see there's a help channel, so if you need any help with your Hackintosh, or you just want to have a chat about Hackintosh, you can do that. But any help that you need, please join the Discord community, which will be linked in the description below. So let's get on with the rest of the video. So you can see we're back on the desktop now. So if I go to About This Mac, you can see here that we've got the GT630 and the display through HDMI. Now if we go to System Preferences and then go on Sound, you can see that now we have a HDMI output, and it actually outputs sound. So hopefully that has fixed the problem for you. But if you do need any more help, visit the Discord that I mentioned earlier in the video, which will be linked below. Thanks everyone so much for watching this video. Goodbye.